Hi guys, this is Savage Siren. Welcome to another episode. If you're interested in how to boost your posts, boost your content, boost more of like just you and get more traffic, watch this video. Keep following along, guys. So you're curious on how to boost like your profile and stuff like that to get seen a little bit more. So some ways you can boost or promo yourself is by also boosting and promoting others. So like let's say, if we're gonna jump right into this, let's say you want to boost your YouTube. Whatever platform you're on, they're all different. They're all gonna do different things. If you're on Instagram and you want to boost your YouTube, throw up a post in the hashtags below, put sub for sub, subscribe for subscribe, YouTube channel for YouTube channel, etc. Like, look and see which tags are trending right now. People will DM you and you'll be able to do watch for watch and like for like and stuff like that, which will boost your YouTube on Instagram. The same with Twitter. So if you know people that already like do YouTube channels or do gaming or stuff like that, just put at the top, YouTube thread. This is it. Drop your links below, follow, comment, retweet, and it'll boost everybody by boosting your post, which is at the very top, to retweet it. Retweet this, retweet the people you like, follow other people, stuff like that, which will boost. The same with like most platforms you can use. You can do OnlyFans, you can do ManyVids, you can do gaming, you can do just about any interest you have. It doesn't just have to be a platform. You can have an interest thread too. Like, hey, something Wednesday, whatever anybody wants to come up with. There's just so many names for Wednesdays and like whatever day of the week. Do a thread, boost your posts, stuff like that. And like that'll help boost you and help you meet new people that do the same thing and the same interests. So you'll have more of a community to work with and people and people that are going to do the same thing as you. And you might even be able to make content with them or bounce ideas off them with them later. I've made many of friends on social media just for the fact we have similar interests, which is super fun and I absolutely love it. Another good way, if you want to just boost like your followers, my specific one that I use promoters for is Twitter. And promoters, I want to promote promoters, but I do not want to promote promoters because I have met a lot of very bad promoters that will ask for like content in return or payments or try to blackmail you, are very rude and like not understanding and everything, especially when they come to you and they're like, hey, can I do a promo for you? They do the promo and then they come back and they're like, hey, you owe me for doing such and such, which to me is not okay, especially if they're going up like essentially like blackmailing or doxing, which in other words outing especially like adult sex workers to family members and other people that they do not want to know, which I do not agree with. But you will meet promoters, and if you are curious about any of my promoters for adult social media, DM me below, or I have a Twitter as well. DM me on Twitter. And my promoters I work with are very good. So I have with my retweet account, I'll go back and retweet all their stuff. So we have a system down. So it's not just, me going, hey, can you promote me? Can you do a post? Can you make me look blah, blah, blah? To me, if you can do something in exchange for the person, even if it's simply retweets or stuff like that, or even just doing like shout outs for other like people to doing the same thing, it helps boost you and it helps show that you're working with other people, which also helps with the community vibes of like, you are willing to work with people, you're a nice person, I want to follow this person, they do stuff I like too, like you give off a good vibe. So you always have to remember like how you approach people, how you talk to people, how you present yourself is also a part of your brand and what you're gonna do. So my tips for boosts and promoting is to make threads if you want, even if it's just with your friends, because it's still getting more audience for you. So just slowly boosting stuff totally works. Let's see, what else? Another really good one I found was entering contests. So like if one of the places or platforms or something that you're doing, even if it's just on Twitter or Instagram, starting and looking at different certain contests, especially like ones that like promote like, oh, YouTube gamers, like I would love to join a contest that does like a certain game I play in. Or oh, I really like this, certain accessory that they're giving away, or the money, or like, because every contest I've ever been in, it helps boost, because like if you get a vote, somebody will be like, hey, over here, different profile, hey, I voted for this person, so you're still getting coverage from like many different people that voted for you. Another good way to like boost and promote you is to do like raffles and giveaways. So like on Instagram, how everybody goes, tag this, tag so many people, and each person's an entry. So all these people are now seeing, and they continuously, it's like repetitively like tagging down. The same with like if you're using Twitter. If you do a giveaway, hey, tag this person, retweet and like this tweet. So now your tweet, and then your tweets being seen by all their people, the people they just tagged are going to come up and do the same thing. So either way, it's boosting, plus it's building your community, it's promoting you, it's getting you out to new people. Like, it might not help a ton, but you might get those couple followers that actually subscribe and stay, or these buyers that are consistently going to buy. To me, it's not so much about the how many followers I have, because as you notice, like, my Instagram doesn't have a lot of followers, but I'd rather keep my content to what I want my content to be and promote, and how I want to do my style versus how everybody else is doing their style. So, my tips for you are to be community friendly, work with other people that work with you, because you can create lasting relationships that do help and boost and like have new opportunities. Make a thread. You might meet new people that do the same thing as you. It's a community thing, and it boosts you, and it boosts them, and it helps everybody get into more of a niche that they want to do. So, thank you guys for listening. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, leave a comment below if you liked this. Also leave a comment of the things you want to see next. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.